Today I'm going to teach you how to mount the Mobula. So first, put the wing joiner inside the main part of the drone. Then insert the wings into the wing joiner. And don't forget to leave a little space between the wing and the body of the drone. It will be useful later. When this is done, thanks to the little space you left earlier, you can plug in the wires into the body of the drone. And when this is done, you can clip the wing to the body. And you have to hear a little clap, which means that the drone is mounted correctly. When this is done, we have to insert the payload and the battery inside of the drone. So first take out the canopy and then insert the camera into the drone. Plug the cable into the camera and then take the battery and insert it into the drone. You can now plug the battery and put the canopy back on the drone, and then the drone is ready to fly. So that's it. Thanks for watching.